Here we have the new 2021 Chevy Colorado LT. This is a two-wheel drive crew cab model. Comes in black on jet black leather seats. Includes a luxury package. It's got that 3.6 liter V6, made it to that 8-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see here, this is a Redline edition. So you've got the red accents throughout. There are those beautiful 18-inch aluminum wheels. Got your side steps there. And then we've also got a spray-in bed liner here. You've got your power door lock, power mirror, power window controls. And there's your driver's seat with power lumbar support. There's your rear seat there. And then if you pull up on here, fold the seat up, you've got a little storage underneath. And you've got a manual seat on the passenger side. And before we check out the interior, let's see what we have under the hood. There's that 3.6 liter V6. Of course, it's mostly covered, but there it is nonetheless. Gonna hop in here. There's your leather wrapped steering wheel, which we'll come back to. You've got AM, FM, XM, and Bluetooth audio. And there's your backup camera. You've also got a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar, of course. And you can pull the camera up on the fly if you'd like to do that without being in reverse. And if you do it while you're driving, it'll stay on for a few seconds before toggling back off. And you've got single zone automatic climate control. And then you've got your heated seats down there. You can toggle those on and off. And there's your shifter. Same shifter from the previous model. And you've got a little spacious cubby in the center console. And there's that rear seat. You've got your owner's manuals and such here in the glove compartment. Here you've got your cruise controls, your steering wheel, which of course is heated. You could toggle that on and off on the left side. And then on the right side, you've got your Bluetooth controls and then your gauge cluster controls. You can go through those options. And then behind the steering wheel on the left side, you've got two buttons where you can toggle the track list. And then on the right side, you've got two buttons where you can toggle the volume. And no push button start. So there's your key there. And there's your fob with the remote start. And next we're gonna take this Colorado out on the road for a test drive. Pretty good throttle response coming out the gate. And so far, shifting very well. And it's surprisingly quiet in the cabin as I'm driving. So we're gonna cruise down the interstate here, and as I'm doing that, I'm averaging about 25 miles to the gallon. And the truck is surprisingly very, very smooth in terms of the ride. And wind noise is a bit prevalent, but honestly, I think I'm hearing a lot of that because it's so quiet within the cabin. I'm not hearing much from the engine. I've got the AC on at the second level, so and the braking feel is pretty much the same as in the 2020 version. And regardless, I still like that. And what you can probably tell is the ride height in these. One thing that I love about the Canyons and the Colorados is I think they have the perfect stance, you know, when you're sitting in the seat. The windshield's nice and big, you can see out of it. And I like sitting up high, but it doesn't feel like you're too high. It's just a little bit more than you'd get out of a Traverse or, you know, your normal crossover. And that's really how this drives, in all honesty. And of course, you've got pretty much the same powertrain from your Chevy Traverses, GMC Acadias. And these wheels aren't that loud either. I mean, they're 18s, but you'd expect a little bit more noise from, you know, black wheels, but they're just normal 18-inch aluminum wheels that have been painted, so it really does ride very well. Yeah, so a pretty good review. And that is the 2021 Chevy Colorado Redline, and this one's an LT with leather.